Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Japanese in 5 Minutes. This is episode 14, and today we're tackling a super important topic for any traveler: what to do when you're feeling a little under the weather. Kei-sensei, I've been walking so much, my legs are aching. We need to find a pharmacy.
An excellent and practical topic, Leo-san. In that case, the first word you need is the one for pharmacy. In Japanese, we say Yakkyoku.
Yakkyoku. Got it. So how do I ask where one is?
A very important question. You would ask, Yakkyoku wa doko desu ka? Let's practice. Repeat after me. Yakkyoku wa doko desu ka?
Perfect. Now we can find one. Okay, once we're inside, what's next?
Next, you need to explain what is wrong. The most fundamental word is for pain, or it hurts. The word is itai.
Itai. So if my legs hurt, how do I say that?
The grammatical structure is straightforward. You say the body part, followed by the particle ga, and then itai desu to be polite. So the formula is body part, ga, itai desu.
Okay, so I just need to learn the body parts.
Correct. Let's cover two very common examples. For a headache, the word for head is atama, so you would say, atama ga itai desu. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Atama ga itai desu. Good. For a stomachache, the word for stomach is onaka. You would say, onaka ga itai desu. Please repeat. Onaka ga itai desu.
Wow, that's incredibly useful. So I just need to know the word for the body part, and I can use that same pattern. Atama ga itai desu for a headache. Onaka ga itai desu for a stomachache. I feel more prepared already.
Now that you can explain your pain, you need to know what to ask for. Let's learn two essential nouns. First, medicine is kusuri. And for a small cut, you might need a band-aid. That is, bansoko.
Kusuri and bansoko. Okay, listeners, let's test you. Based on what we've learned in past episodes, how do you ask for medicine, please?
The answer is kusuri wo kudasai. This means medicine, please. Let's practice that. Kusuri wo kudasai.
Great! And I bet for a band-aid, it's the same thing. Bansoko wo kudasai. Right, sensei?
That is perfectly correct, Leo-san. You are learning well. Sometimes the problem is not pain, but sickness. For example, if you have a cold, the word is kaze. And if you have a fever, the word is netsu.
Kaze and netsu. Okay, so to say I have a fever, would I just say netsu desu?
Yes, that is a simple and effective way to communicate it. Netsu desu or kaze desu for a cold. Let's practice the two new words. First, a cold. Kaze. And now, fever. Net.
Excellent. These are definitely must-know words for any traveler's first aid kit.
Okay, let's do a rapid-fire drill to lock in these words. I will say 4 words. Repeat each one in the pause that follows. We will do this 3 times. Round 1, start. Itai. Kusuri. Bansoko. Atama. Good. Round 2. Itai. Kusuri. Bansoko. Atama. Excellent. Final round. Make it strong. Itai. Kusuri. Bansoko. Atama.
Great work, everyone. I feel much more confident now. And that's all the time we have for today. We hope you all stay healthy on your travels, but now you're a little more prepared if you do need to visit a Yakkyoku. We know this episode may have felt a bit shorter and a little more textbook than usual, But in real travel situations, especially at a pharmacy, it's often just these essential symptoms and key words that you'll need most. Next time on episode 15, we're going to the depato. We'll learn how to navigate Japan's massive department stores and ask for different floors. You won't want to miss it.
Thank you for joining us. またね